Hello everyone, I'm Arnaud Moreau, I'm a French director and DOP based in Amsterdam. And back in June, DZO contacted me to create a short film fully with one lens, and that lens was the 180 ARL series T2.4. I used the Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K full frame. Most of the project was shot handheld, but I used the Ronin S3 Pro for action shots. So I really love that handheld setup. It's very stable. Now we're gonna see how we switch from that to Ronin S3 Pro and how we balance it properly. And you might think that it's not gonna work because it's heavy, but it works, and I'm gonna prove it to you. So I changed the plate here, and I have the Tilta plate, which allows me to have 2 extra D-tap, so I can power the camera, and even if I want to, I have limo outputs. It allows me to put also the V-Lock battery in the bottom. I have one FX Lion Nano 1, so the Tilta cage has an Arca attached, so you can put it straight to the Ronin base plate without having to have any support. So I just have to slide it on the Ronin. Up. Now it doesn't work because obviously the lens is too heavy. You cannot go farther in that direction. So what I do is that I have counterweight. There is 300 grams in total attached to a little magic arm, and I'm gonna attach it on the top of the cage towards the back because the weight of the lens was too much in front. So first I'm gonna put my motor back in place, and then I can unscrew this and go a little bit more in the back. And if I go on this axis, then now I'm too far away. Okay. Now it's good. Now I'm a little bit too much on the back. Okay, and then I have my D-tap cable, which I can put on the base plate. So now in this axis, perfectly balanced. Now on this axis, now I'm too much on the side. I need to push it from that side. Yes. So now this axis is balanced. Now if we check at the balance, it's perfectly in the middle, and the motors, they don't force at all. And now what you can do is that you can take it and it works. Like balance perfectly. It doesn't force on the motors. You can use the stick to go up, down, up. So that was how to balance the 180mm T2.4 from DZO, and it's quite a beast. I love the look, I love the bokeh. It's like, I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because more is coming. Cheers!